What is good, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today I have a awesome baked ziti recipe for you all. My goodness, is this beautiful. And guess what? It is so easy to make. It takes absolutely no effort to get this done in the kitchen and get this same level of result. So let's not waste any more time. Let's get right on into it. Let's get started. So we are going to begin with a pot of boiling hot water, and I'm just going to drop a little bit of salt in there as well as a pound of our ziti pasta. And you want to cook this according to the directions on the box. Give it a nice little stir. Once it's fully cooked, go ahead and drain it and set it off to the side. Moving on, I have a separate pot. I'm just drizzling a little bit of olive oil in there, and I am going to drop in a pound of ground beef as well as one chopped onion. So go ahead and give that a stir, get it all mixed up. We are gonna season this with a little bit of salt, pepper, as well as some Italian seasoning. Again, get that spoon, get to mixing, get everything well combined. Now we're gonna drop in some minced garlic. Ooh, I love me some garlic. Gotta get that in there. Again, give it a mix. Once we have that all incorporated, you want to go ahead and get your favorite marinara sauce, and we're gonna drop about 5 cups of that right on in there, and we're gonna stir that in as well. Now that we have that incorporated, it is time to get that ricotta cheese in there. Okay, go ahead and drop that in there. Give it a mix. Get that talking to this whole dish as well. You know, we gotta get all the flavors communicating as we always do. So now you can go ahead and grab that ziti from the strainer and drop it right up in this goodness right here. Grab that spoon and get it incorporated. Stir it in just like so. At this point, you could go ahead and get your oven preheated to 400 degrees because we are almost there, ready to enjoy this wonderful dish. We are now gonna drop in some of that pasta right in our baking pan, just like so. We're gonna do this in 2 batches. All right, we're gonna do one layer right here, then we're gonna drop in some mozzarella cheese right on top of this, and then we're gonna drop some more of that pasta and then top it off with some more mozzarella cheese. And in total, we used about 36 ounces of cheese. And just a heads up, I did coat the bottom of my pan with a little bit of non-stick spray just to make life a little bit easier. And like I said, we are finishing off. We're dropping off the rest of the pasta on top, and we are gonna drop in a whole load of cheese right on top, man. I can't wait till this is done. The end result will leave you speechless. I'm trying to let you know. So this bad boy is fresh up out the oven. Smelling, looking oh so good. Come on now. Come on now. Straight pressure. Straight pressure. I'm trying to let you know, guys. Wow, wow, and wow. This is so good right here. A wonderful, wonderful dish. And like I said, it takes absolutely no effort to make this at all. And I can't wait for you to try it out yourselves. Once you do, make sure you double back and let me know in the comments, you know, how did you enjoy it? Because I know you did. Just let me know how good was it. You know, I love to hear the feedback. And thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next video. Deuces.